Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. Today I'm sharing an unboxing video of Love From Lizi's March 2020 card kit. Doesn't that look like so much fun? Let me go ahead and start with the large bag. So there are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are 8.5 by 11. There's a navy, there's an off-white, there's a soft cream, an alcohol marker friendly paper, and then also a gray. And then there are 2 8.5 by 11 sheets of pearlescent paper. There's oyster and then also a gray. And then next there are 3 sheets of 12 by 12 paper, and they all have some cut aparts on one side, and then the other side has a pattern. So here's some 3 by 4 and 4 by 4 cut aparts. The next sheet has 4 by 6 cut aparts, and then this final sheet, these are images you'll have to fussy cut. They're not stickers and they're not die cuts, but they're pretty easy to cut out, and I love the designs on there, but you can always use that opposite side if you'd prefer. There are 12 sheets of 6 by 6 paper, and these are all double-sided. You will receive 2 of each for a total of 12, so you'll have 12 different designs. I'm just going to flip through these real quick. A couple of the sheets are the smaller version of those 12 by 12 designs, so that's kind of fun to have a smaller image. So these are great colors that will work for masculine as well as feminine cards. There is a full sheet of sentiment stickers. There's even a sticker for each month of the year, so that would work great for planners. The peel-offs this month are the brown mirror in the straight design. And then here is the stamp set. This is Moment in Time, some great images. There's the large owl, a couple of feathers, a dream catcher, and some arrows. And lots of different sentiments that are perfect for masculine cards. Now moving on to the embellishment bag, there are 2 craft tags. There's a large one and a smaller one. And then this month we have some Nouveau shimmer powder, and this is the Storm Cloud color. So I've never used that before. I'm looking forward to trying that. There's a full roll of washi tape, and it has a diagonal design that looks like wood, kind of a light blue and a cream color, and it's slightly see-through. I think that'll coordinate really nice with the kit. There's a sample size bag of the sequins, and if you ever want more sequins, you can always purchase a full bag as an add-on. The die set this month is really large, and you can customize this. So it's a pocket watch, and you can change the face. There are 4 different sets of hands for the watch. There's even a couple small extra clock faces that you could decorate. And then there are dies with every single number, and these are really tiny, so be careful not to lose them. Trying to show them to you. They're super small, but there's also the Roman numeral numbers that are already on that pocket watch, but you can cut out that face if you prefer to use different numbers. And then there are 4 wooden bird cages, and these are always fun to decorate. You can paint them. I love to do heat embossing on them because you can change the colors. And then there is a full bag of alphabet tiles. So they have the wooden look on one side, and then they have sort of a distressed whitewash look on the other side. So I'm not sure how many are in here. I didn't pull them all out, but you get probably a few sets of alphabets. So that is everything that's included in the March 2020 card kit. And I always get a few add-ons. This is the peel-off selection pack that coordinates beautifully with the kit. So there's a rose gold in straight, gold moon dust in the pinstripe, blue mirror in the sway design, and then a copper in the straight design. And then next up I received this 5-piece die set with all of these little critters. So there's a reindeer, a fox, there's the little rabbit, an owl, and also a little bear. It's a little bear cub because he's pretty small. And then there is a 6 by 8 paper pack. And these colors match really nicely with the rest of the paper collection. These are all double-sided. There's a total of 12 sheets included, and there are 2 of each design. So I'm just flipping through these really quickly. So again, these would work beautifully for masculine as well as feminine cards. And then up next is one of the specialty card bundles. This is the Pearlescent Card. There are 7 sheets included, and these are beautiful colors that match perfectly with the paper collection. And then next is the Mirror and Matte Bundle. You'll have a silver and a gold in mirror as well as the satin finish. There's a black mirror and then also a black that has a very matte finish. Kind of looks like a chalkboard. So there's 6 sheets included in that cardstock bundle. And the specialty papers go very quickly, so if you are interested, I wouldn't wait. Now here's just another look at Love From Lizi's March 2020 card kit. I have provided links in the description box if you are interested in the kit or any of the add-ons. This is a monthly kit and they do tend to sell out fairly quickly. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to subscribe. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.